Hi, it's Kai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm about to do a look inspired by Ariana Grande's music video for Stuck With You. I'm gonna talk while doing it because honestly, like, this quarantine is so hard for me. So first of all, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Dewy and Smooth, shade 120. Classic ivory. Low-key, this looks tan on me, but like it used to match when I would go outside, but I guess I got a little bit paler since I've been in the house so much. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand and then use my finger to put some on my face. It's really confusing to me, like, what's going on in the world right now. I never thought something like this would happen. You see, like, the plague and everything that happened a really long time ago, and you would never think that, like, it's gonna happen again when you learn about it in history class and stuff. And it's hard for me as well. I'm supposed to be doing school online, and I don't understand anything that we're learning because we don't have lessons the same way we would in school. I'm stressed by school, and at the same time, I'm stressed by, like, everything going on. There was this article on Twitter, and it was about how, like, Generation Z has experienced, like, the most, like, world crisis, like, things. I had to go to school every day thinking about the shootings and stuff happen in the world, but now we have to worry about getting a cold. Not to say that the coronavirus isn't, like, serious, but it's just, like, such a change because, like, we have been forced, like, at such a young age to understand so much about the world because a lot of things are, like, going wrong in America. I think that a virus is something that could, like, change everything in our life is so weird. Our school literally had a shooter threat in, like, October, and, like, that used to be what I had to worry about, but now we gotta worry about, like, coughing and, like, washing our hands. It's just such, like, a confusing shift for me. Like, we used to worry about so much other, like, bigger things. The same tip concealer, when you shade 1.5 to brighten under my eyes, because if you look at the screenshot from the music video, Ariana has, like, the middle of her face brightened. I usually use the Glossier concealer, but this is more matte, so if I want, like, a dewy look, I would use the Glossier stretch concealer, but she seems matte in the video. I forgot to wet this. We're just gonna use it like that. This is a sponge from Miss A, and it's velvet, so it doesn't absorb the product, and it blends it very smoothly. If you want a good beauty sponge, this is my favorite one that I've ever used. I'm gonna blend my concealer up here too to make it, like, lifted, because we're gonna do kind of like a wing later, but not like really a strong wing, just like it leads up, because hers doesn't look very, like, extreme. I should have wet this. Using the Bretman Rock Morphe Baby in Paradise palette, and I'm gonna mix the two darkest shades. And I'm also gonna put a little bit on my eyes. On the topic of Stuck With You, you've probably seen 6ix9ine has been saying some things about Billboard. I don't really care. I don't understand how Billboard works. Like, I like Ariana Grande. 6ix9ine is entertaining, so, like, I don't care. But this is just a good time to bring up, like, before I get, like, canceled for it or something. I was 6ix9ine for Halloween, like, 2 years ago.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh?
Honestly, that was such a dumb move. I'm not trying to say my opinion on 6ix9ine. When I was 6ix9ine for Halloween, like, at the time, he was, like, on probation or something, and I went trick-or-treating. Mind you, I live in New York City. I was literally putting myself in so much, like, danger unnecessarily. Like, I don't know why my mother let me. After I did it, she was like, I don't know why I let you do that. If I was gonna be 6ix9ine for a picture, that's one thing, but I was 6ix9ine and literally, like, trick-or-treating in the streets. I'm going trick-or-treating, and I passed by Dunkin' Donuts, and inside Dunkin' Donuts is the police. My rainbow wig, my fake chains, my rainbow teeth. Literally, like, 4 cops sitting there drinking coffee all turn around, and I was like, I'm gonna turn around, they're like, they look so mad, because at the time I think they were looking for him. They thinking it's him because apparently I look like him. So many little kids came up to me with their parents and were taking pictures with me because they said I really look like him. My school, everyone was, like, talking about it.
It's my idol! Oh my god!
So I'm gonna use this Hikari Shimmer Bronzer as blush. The shade is Radiate. I'm gonna put my blush, like, here. I usually keep it up here. Since it's supposed to be, like, Ariana Grande's makeup, I don't really see her putting her blush, like, centered right here. She puts it in, like, the place that, like, everyone else usually puts it, so, like, above the contour. Do you like my sweater? In the music video, she has, like, this, like, probably, like, Coogee, like, this vintage sweater, and I have a vintage sweater kind of like that, not really, but the color's gonna go with the look, so I was like, let me wear this one It's just like from your style. Use my code Kai2003 to save 2 to 5%. I'm gonna do a little bit here. I've never done it here. So her eye look, she has pink kind of like nude tones. For that, I'm gonna be using the Brentman Rock Ice Color Pop Lit palette. I use this palette all the time. I have like neutral warm skin tone. This is like a good like warm palette. Also, I'm gonna be using the 3CE Overtake multi-eye color palette. It's literally my favorite palette ever. Like I used to use this every single day. This brush, I don't know what brand it's from. Probably from Five Below. All over the lid first. This is literally my favorite brush because it's really not like dense. On the end, I'm gonna make like a kind of wing shape. I'm gonna go in with this color and put it just in my crease and on the outer edge, and I'm gonna bring it up as well. I think that's like enough depth. Like hers doesn't go really dark brown. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of the color Macchiato. It's brown, but like barely like touch it. I just feel like it needs more. I'm making a YouTube video. When my friends are on group FaceTime, when you stay on a call for some reason, like there's like this glitch where it just keeps ringing like until you join, and it's really annoying. Lighter than it looks in the pan. This Etude House Bling Bling eye stick. Why is there a lash on here? Nah, where this came from. Can you see that? Okay, I don't know what shade it is. It's like a gold. It looks like this. It just says Etude House mad times on the back, so I don't know. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. After that, you can see that she has a wing. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first because the wing might come off because of the eyeliner that I use is $1. AOA Studio Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade in medium brown. I'm gonna take an angled brush and fill in my eyebrows, and as you can see, I shaved the ends of my eyebrows. My eyebrows grow to like down here, so I cut off like most of it to give me that lifted look. Ariana Grande has very lifted brows. People speculate if she has had a brow lift, but I don't know if she had a brow lift or not. I don't care. Her brows are very high. Concealer that I used earlier, and I'm gonna take a flat concealer brush. My eyes are two different shapes. There's more space between like the hood and my eyelid. It doesn't go down as far, but this hood goes down lower, so it's hard to create lines without it bending. If it looks like uneven, it's like I cannot do it any other way. I'm gonna use the AOA Wonder liquid eyeliner. This is $1. I'm just gonna do like a thin wing, like not as big as I usually do, because hers is like smaller. It'll probably actually be easier for me. Be careful not to get this in your eye because it literally burns so bad. When I want to do it like this, I don't go over my hood, like where it ends, that line, like I don't go over it because it bends right there. Now we're gonna put Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter duo. The shades are, this one is lighter and this one is more gold tone. I'm gonna put lashes on. I don't know, I think I'm gonna use these like more natural ones. These are not actually Dodo lashes. I buy them off AliExpress. I'm not gonna put mascara or anything. I literally just put lash glue on and put them on. I'm gonna come back once I put that on, and then after that I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in Spanked. Ariana has like a matte nude lip that's kind of like mauve, so I thought this would be a good color. But low-key, this is a little pinker, so I might have to put something on top. Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I always say the original color, like I need to learn the shade because the sticker's gone because I've had this for years. Just browner, putting it on top will even out the tone. That is it for the look. Comment down below if you think Ariana Grande bought her Billboard #1. I don't know if she did. Honestly, I'm a fan of Ariana Grande, but like I don't understand how Billboard works, so like I really don't care. But also, I think that like obviously Ariana Grande and Justin Bieber are very famous. It wouldn't really be surprising if they had more streams than 6ix9ine, because 6ix9ine is just like not as followed as them. Ariana Grande is literally the most followed person on Instagram, and Justin Bieber has 136 million followers as well. So like those two together, that's a lot more people. But I also think there's a lot of stuff in the music industry that like consumers don't understand. I don't care. I will listen to Ariana Grande still. Like I don't care, honestly. Like the charts don't matter to me. I listen to what I want. I listen to the artists that I like, not what's popular.